Hi, I'm Scott Winter with the Word Search Division of Lifeway. I want to introduce you to a commentary set for your Word Search digital library. It's the Holman Old and New Testament commentaries. This set was written by a variety of authors, but with one editor, so you get different perspectives, but are assured of a cohesive message. These commentaries are easily understood and work well if you need detailed interpretation, or if you're rushed for time, just a quick summary. They are packed with great questions, making it an essential commentary set for preachers or teachers. Let's look at how this works within Word Search. Here we are studying the life of Joseph in Genesis. We have come to the end of the story and the end of Joseph's life. At the beginning of the section, you see the supporting idea that gives you a brief sentence of what you are about to learn. Next, you get the detailed explanation of the verse, but you also get a main idea review summarizing the main idea for the passage. This makes it very easy to find points you were most interested in studying. But this set goes even further, providing an easy-to-read list of the applicational principles found in this passage, along with questions you can use with your congregation, small group, or for further study. But it doesn't stop there. At the end of each chapter, you also get a teaching outline and more discussion questions for the entire section of the Bible you are studying. Let's go over to the New Testament and look at Philippians, where Paul is writing about the humility of Christ. Again, you have the supporting idea letting you know the subject you are about to study. You have the commentary for each verse, and at the end, you also have the teaching outline and the issues for discussion questions. The Holman Old and New Testament commentaries are a valuable resource for your library if you're looking for modern, applicational commentaries that make it quick and easy to study God's Word. As usual, head over to wordsearchbible.com to see more about this set and all of the other excellent resources Word Search has to offer.